Hey there, VR devs. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Justin P. Barnett, and along with my fellow VR enthusiast Valum and Andrew, we've been on an exciting journey over the past few weeks. We hosted a thrilling and mind-boggling VR Jam 2023, and what a turnout it was. We received an overwhelming response of 130 unique and diverse game submissions. Buckle up, because you're in for an incredible VR journey, and stick around to see if your favorite game made the cut. The theme was special delivery, and it was a tough call. With many talented developers bringing their A game, the competition was intense, but the winners ultimately outdid themselves. Our honorable mention, and sitting in 6th place overall, but soaring up to the top of the enjoyment category, we have Space Panic by Ian Lindsay. In Space Panic, you're thrust into an outer space adventure filled with exciting challenges. It's a thrilling game about trying to survive in outer space, and Ian Lindsay really hit home in terms of enjoyment. This game's pace, the immersive graphics, and the heart-pounding challenges make it fun from start to finish. Our 3rd place overall winner and the champion of the concept category, feast your senses on Your Hand is a Duck, an unconventional yet brilliant creation by AndyMan404. This game dares to venture where few have gone before. Your Hand is a Duck catapults you into an unexpectedly delightful and quirky world where, as the name suggests, your hand is a duck. This unique premise really sets this game apart. Our judges were really charmed by this sheer originality of this concept. Its unexpected depth made it the clear winner of the concept category and an overall favorite for sure. Congratulations to AndyMan404 for your innovative game. We're looking forward to what you can create the next one. Our 2nd overall winner, and the game that claimed the top spot in the presentation category, I present to you Fragments by Jack OC. This game takes visual storytelling to a new level in virtual reality. Fragments brings you into a beautifully broken yet perfectly orchestrated world. Jack OC has put a tremendous amount of effort into this presentation of the game. The aesthetic appeal, the game design, and the visual execution are undeniably nothing short of a VR masterpiece. Our judges all admired the unique visual appeal, the creative storytelling of Fragments, and granting it a well-deserved 2nd place overall. And taking the top spot and winning the Use of Theme category is a game that truly took us by surprise and thrilled us with its innovative use of VR. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you SSS, Superhero Supply Service by Moonshine Games. Let's dive into the superhero world they've created. SSS, Superhero Supply Service, beautifully harnesses the power of VR, plunging you headfirst into a world that needs heroes. The smart and intuitive game mechanics make you feel like you're part of this superhero universe, and Moonshine Games has done an exceptional job making every game aspect immersive and fun to play. From the graphics to the clever storyline, it's clear they've put a lot of thought into the player's experience and the game overall. The game's creativity and attention to detail set it apart from the pack, earning it 1st place overall. So congratulations, Moonshine Games, on your well-deserved victory. You've set a high bar for the VR game development, and we can't wait to see what you do next. We also had the privilege of being sponsored by XR Game Labs, an amazing game publisher who's always on the lookout for the next big thing in VR. They've been closely following the event, and their interest in potentially publishing one of the winners of the game adds an extra layer of excitement to this event, so stay tuned for updates on that front. We also had a couple of celebrity YouTubers and guest judges play the games, and one of those was Virtual Reality Oasis Mike. He picked Your Hand is a Duck. He also mentioned Courier 1865, and his 3rd pick is Fulfilled. We also had Gamertag VR play some of the games and rate his top 3, and his pick was Deliver, Suburban Scallywags, And third pick was Uber VR. So special thanks to Virtual Reality Oasis, Mike, and Gamertag VR for playing the games and giving their feedback. And congrats to their top picks. Now, to participate in one of these VR game jams, it does require a decent understanding of the code behind how everything works, and you have to be able to do it very quickly. And if you don't think that you had the skills to participate in the game jam, I encourage you to check out the course down below. It is the VR Creator Academy with over 170 lessons specifically to how to create VR games, so that you can come and join us in the next VR game jam. If you enjoyed this recap and want to stay tuned for more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which game was your favorite and why. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next one.